friends, I'm Zara and welcome to Rock with Zara. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make this. I don't think you know what I'm talking about. So as you know, these things, let me show you. First of all, these type of things, let me show you. Yes, this is called a simple dimple. This is a spinner simple dimple. This is the Among Us puppet. And this is a hexagon puppet. These are literally the, you can say literally the most famous items, the most famous fidget things in the whole entire internet. And there's another entire famous thing, which is a squish. And this is how, in this video I'm going to be telling you, you probably have read the title, but in this video I'm going to be telling you how to make a DIY squish. Yeah, squish. So first of all, for that, you need, isn't it so obvious? A balloon. That's so good. We need water, and then tying it up. Let's go to the washroom to give it some water. I mean, you won't come, I'll go. And then I'm going to be back, Bye-bye. Why don't you come to me with the washroom? Just in case I get scared, because I get scared really easily. Don't mind my hairband. I can fix it later. So, I'm going to fill up the balloon right now. Don't mind my camera. It just fell. Just don't. Please don't. Okay. Aha. Oh. Ah. No, my God. Just a complete mess. You see, this is exploded. I don't know why it did. And my clothes, they are all wet. I don't know what to do. We should go outside. Mom, leave the water here. Sorry, watery balloon. I'm gonna be back after fixing it. And this is the final result. It actually matches with my clothes, and it is done really perfectly. And this is how you can make a homemade squish. Bye-bye, friends. Actually, this water is really hot and this water is really cold. So I love both of these, but I love this one more. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.